I will be teaching class today, so here we are. This is my hand and my pen. So first and foremost, we're going to date like we always do. It is May 20th of 2022, and we're going to title this Sphere Practice. We're only working with one problem today, so we don't need to divide our paper up. So first things first, we're going to draw our sphere. How I like to draw spheres is I pick a little center point, and then I'll do little tick marks evenly from the center, and then I draw a circle from there. Cool. So now we need to draw our radius, and then like we practiced yesterday, we need to draw an oval in the middle, the dotted line in the back, because we can't see that part of the sphere. Cool. So we know that the volume of our sphere is 288 pi. So since we know that our formula for volume of a sphere is V equals 4/3 times radius cubed times pi, we can substitute 288 pi for V. So 288 pi equals 4/3 times radius cubed times pi. So now we're going to go ahead and you could either divide by 4/3 or multiply by 3/4, but I'm going to divide by 4/3. And whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. And 288 pi divided by 4/3 is 216 pi. Now we're left with radius cubed times pi. So now I see that I have a pi on both sides of the equal sign. So next I'm going to divide by pi. So the pi just cancels out on both sides. So we're left with 216 equals radius cubed. So in the past we've practiced with square roots, and cubic roots are similar, except you're dealing with a cube instead of a square. So it really just looks like radical, and then you put a little 3 right there in the little crook of the radical. That's how we find the cube root. And in this case, the cube root of 216 is 6. So we know that 6, does not equal 6. I mean, it does equal 6, but 6 equals r. So now we can go up here if we really want to, and we know that r equals 6. And if we wanted to, we could plug 6 into our equation for a sphere to prove that it's right, but we know it's right.